Hello everyone, myself Dr. Mihir Modi, and today I am going to give you an information regarding the BPT Bachelor of Physiotherapy course. So we will start with the definition. What is the definition of physiotherapy according to World Health Organization? So according to WHO, physiotherapy is an independent profession. A physiotherapist is the one who assess, plan and implement the rehabilitative programs that improve or restore the human motor functions, maximize the movement ability, relieve the pain syndromes, and treat or prevent the physical challenges that is associated with the injuries, disease. The disease may be cardiopulmonary, orthopedic, or musculoskeletal disease, and other impairments. Now the duration of the course is 4 year and 6 month. 4 year is of academic period. In that you have to study the various physiotherapeutic subject like anatomy, physiology, exercise therapy, and after completion of the successful 4 years, you have to do the 6 month compulsory rotating internship in super speciality, multi speciality hospital or academic institutes. Now, what are the subjects of physiotherapy? So, in first year, you will study the anatomy, physiology, exercise therapy, psychology and sociology, biomedical physics, and English. In second year, you will study the electrotherapy, exercise therapy, pathology and microbiology, pharmacology and biochemistry, biostatistics, and the one subject that I forgot to mention is kinesiology. In third year, you will study the general medicine, general surgery, and obstetric and gynecology, orthopedic and traumatology, musculoskeletal physiotherapy. In this subject, you will study the physiotherapy of the musculoskeletal condition and general medical and surgical physiotherapy. Now, the last year and final year, you will study the neurosurgery, neurophysiotherapy, cardiopulmonary physiotherapy, community based rehabilitation, that is the rehabilitation, how to do the rehabilitation in the community, in the rural and urban area, and the physical and functional diagnosis. In that, you will study that how to diagnose the disease or condition on the basis of the chief complaint, on the basis of the examination, on the basis of the physical and functional status of the patient, and on the basis of the investigation, radiological diagnosis, etc. Now after successful completion of the 4 year course, you will have to do the 6 month compulsory rotating internship. In this internship period, you will be posted in the various department of the neurological, cardiopulmonary and community based rehabilitation, and you will be posted in the orthopedic department, outpatient department. Now this internship you can do in the various multi-speciality hospital, super speciality hospital, and you will also have to do the internship in the academic institute. In 6 month compulsory rotating internship includes the posting in the various department of the hospitals and colleges, including the musculoskeletal physiotherapy. In this musculoskeletal physiotherapy posting, you will be going to see the patient of the musculoskeletal condition, like after fracture what is the physiotherapy, after various trauma or after various nerve injury what is the physiotherapy. Cardiopulmonary physiotherapy department, in this you will be posted in ICU and intensive coronary care unit, intensive care unit, and then you will see the patient of physiotherapy of the patient who has undergone the cardiopulmonary surgery like coronary artery bypass, grafting, stent placement, balloon angioplasty. What is the physiotherapy after this condition? And in neurophysiotherapy, that is in that you will study the you will learn how to do the physiotherapy of the patient who has a neuro condition like Parkinson, stroke, paralysis. And then intensive care unit, neonatal intensive care unit, the baby born with the some disease like cerebral palsy, Down syndrome, muscular dystrophy, or autism or attention deficit hyperreactivity syndrome. So what is the physiotherapy after that? And in neonatal intensive care unit, you have to you have to do the critical care physiotherapy, and after that you will also be posted in the outpatient department, and community based rehabilitation also you have to do. In this you will be posted in community, rural and urban area. You will have to do the physiotherapy of the those patients who cannot go in the super speciality or multi speciality hospital. Now, after completion of the physiotherapy, after completion of the Bachelor of Physiotherapy (BPT), where you can work. So, being a physiotherapist, you can work in government or private hospital. You can work in rehabilitation centers. You can do your private practice, that is home visit. You can establish your own private clinic. You can work in outpatient clinics. You can work in community health center, primary health center, PHC. You can work in occupational health center. You can also go for special schools and senior citizen centers. You can also work in multinational company like Infosys, TCS as a physiotherapist. For those students who want to go for the master, they can go for specialization, that is MPT. So you can do your specialization in musculoskeletal disorder. You can go for specialization in neurology and psychosomatic disorder. You can do your MPT in cardiopulmonary. You can also do your MPT in pediatric, community based rehabilitation, women's health. You can also do your MPT in sports science. Those student who is willing to go to the abroad can also go in country like USA, UK, Canada after his BPT, Bachelor of Physiotherapy or Master of Physiotherapy. And the job prospectus and the pay scale is also good in abroad. Nowadays, physiotherapy is the only branch which has taken the place in the every medical field. When the lady is pregnant, and to alleviate or reduce the labor pain, the prenatal antenatal physiotherapy is considered as a gold standard treatment. After the pregnancy, the spinal curvature get disturbed, the woman get low back pain because of hyperlordosis. Some women develop the stress incontinence. For that, physiotherapy is the only option. Sometimes the baby born with the congenital, genetic, or inherited or acquired disorder like Down syndrome, cerebral palsy, hydrocephalus, ADHD, autism, muscular dystrophy, in that the pediatric physiotherapy plays a tremendous role. Physiotherapists play an important role in ICU, intensive care unit, neonatal intensive care unit, intensive coronary care unit for the patient who has undergone the orthopedic, cardiac, or general surgery. Physiotherapists also treat the various orthopedic, neurologic, and cardiopulmonary condition in IPD inpatient department or outpatient department. Physiotherapy also plays an important role in prevention. We are also in prevention of the various musculoskeletal condition and ergonomic correction. Physiotherapists also treat the various geriatric condition. So in nutshell, physiotherapy plays an important role from womb to tomb.